In the annals of paleoanthropology, few discoveries have ignited as much excitement and debate as the Harbin cranium, affectionately nicknamed Dragon Man. This discovery has not only captured the imagination of scientists but also the general public, sparking a renewed interest in our ancient past. Unearthed in the northeastern Chinese city of Harbin, this remarkably intact skull represents one of the most significant fossil finds in recent history. The Harbin cranium is not just another fossil, it is a window into a time long forgotten, offering clues about the lives of our distant relatives. Its discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging long-held assumptions about the human story and adding a new layer of complexity to our understanding of human evolution. The Harbin cranium has forced scientists to rethink the timeline and migration patterns of early humans, suggesting that our ancestors were far more diverse and widespread than previously thought. The story of Dragon Man begins in the 1930s, shrouded in mystery and whispered rumors. It was a time of great upheaval and change in China, with the country undergoing rapid modernization and facing external threats. A Chinese laborer, working on a bridge construction project, supposedly unearthed the massive skull. This laborer, whose name has been lost to history, could not have known the significance of his find, yet he instinctively understood its value. However, fearing it might be confiscated by the occupying Japanese forces, he chose to keep his find a secret. The political climate of the time was tense, and the laborer's decision to hide the skull was a brave and calculated risk. He hid the skull at the bottom of a well, where it remained undisturbed for nearly a century. This act of concealment preserved the skull in an almost pristine condition, allowing future generations to study it in detail. It was only in 2018, shortly before his death, that the laborer finally revealed the secret of the skull to his family. This revelation must have been a momentous occasion filled with emotion and a sense of historical significance. They retrieved it from its watery hiding place and donated it to the Geoscience Museum of Hebei Geo University. The museum, known for its extensive collection of geological and paleontological artifacts, was the perfect home for such a significant find. There, it caught the attention of Professor Ji Qiang, a renowned paleoanthropologist, who immediately recognized its significance. Professor Ji and his team embarked on a detailed study of the skull, uncovering its many secrets. The Harbin cranium, with its unique combination of primitive and modern features, presented both a puzzle and an opportunity for scientists. Its characteristics suggested a complex web of human evolution, with interbreeding and migration playing significant roles. It held the potential to rewrite our understanding of human evolution, particularly in Asia, a continent that has long been shrouded in mystery when it comes to the story of our ancestors. The Harbin cranium is not just a relic of the past, it is a beacon guiding us towards a deeper understanding of who we are and where we come from. The Harbin cranium is a striking specimen, a testament to the incredible diversity that has characterized the human lineage. Discovered in the Heilongjiang province of China, this skull has captured the attention of scientists and researchers worldwide. Its discovery has opened up new avenues of inquiry into the complex web of human evolution, challenging long-held assumptions and sparking debates about our ancient ancestors. What immediately sets it apart is its sheer size. It is the largest known hominin skull, with a cranial capacity estimated to be around 1,420 cubic centimeters. This places it comfortably within the range of modern human brain sizes and significantly larger than that of Homo erectus, the hominin species previously thought to be the sole inhabitant of Asia during the Middle Pleistocene. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that multiple hominin species may have coexisted in this region. The Harbin cranium's morphology is a curious blend of archaic and modern traits. It possesses prominent brow ridges, a low and sloping forehead, and a wide, flat face, features reminiscent of earlier hominins. Yet it also displays a number of derived characteristics that align it more closely with Homo sapiens, including flatter cheekbones, a less projecting face, and a smaller brow ridge above the eyes. One particularly intriguing feature is the presence of large, square-shaped eye sockets, a trait not seen in any other known hominin species. This unique characteristic has fueled speculation about the visual capabilities of Dragon Man, suggesting that they may have possessed enhanced vision compared to their contemporaries. The massive size of the Harbin cranium, coupled with its mosaic of primitive and modern features, immediately presented scientists with a tantalizing question: Where did this remarkable fossil fit within the human family tree? Was it a member of a known species, or did it represent something entirely new? The Harbin cranium's discovery has not only added a new piece to the puzzle of human evolution, but has also raised new questions about the interactions between different hominin species. Did Dragon Man and Homo sapiens ever cross paths? If so, what was the nature of their interactions? These questions remain unanswered, but the Harbin cranium provides a crucial clue in our quest to understand the story of our origins. As researchers continue to study this fascinating fossil, they are uncovering more about the environment in which Dragon Man lived. The Middle Pleistocene was a time of significant climatic changes, and understanding how these ancient humans adapted to their surroundings can provide valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of our species. The Harbin cranium stands as a testament to the complexity of human evolution, reminding us that our journey is far from straightforward. Each new discovery adds depth to our understanding, revealing a past that is rich with diversity and adaptation. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of our ancient ancestors, the Harbin cranium will undoubtedly remain a focal point of study, offering new perspectives and challenging our perceptions of what it means to be human. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and with each new find we come closer to piecing together the intricate mosaic of our evolutionary history. The Harbin cranium is not just a relic of the past, it is a beacon guiding us toward a deeper understanding of our shared heritage. Where did this remarkable fossil fit within the human family tree? Was it a member of a known species, or did it represent something entirely new? The Harbin cranium continues to captivate and inspire, reminding us that the story of human evolution is far from complete. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the rich tapestry of our past, and the Harbin cranium is a vital thread in that ever-evolving narrative. The discovery of the Harbin cranium sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, igniting a wave of curiosity and speculation about its origins and significance. This ancient skull, unearthed in the Harbin region of China, has the potential to reshape our understanding of human evolution, prompting intense debate and analysis. Researchers from various disciplines including paleoanthropology, genetics, and archaeology have been drawn into the conversation, each bringing their unique perspectives and expertise to the table. In 2021, after years of meticulous study, Professor Ji Qiang and his team announced their groundbreaking conclusion, a revelation that would send shockwaves through the scientific community. The Harbin cranium represented a new species of archaic human, which they named Homo longi, or Dragon Man, in honor of the region where it was discovered. This name not only reflects the geographical origin but also the mythical and cultural significance of dragons in Chinese heritage. Their assertion was based on a number of factors, including the skull's unique combination of morphological features, its large cranial capacity, and the robustness of its structure. These characteristics set it apart from other known hominin species, and its estimated age, which placed it in the Middle Pleistocene, a period of significant hominin diversification. This era, spanning from approximately 780,000 to 126,000 years ago, was a time of great evolutionary experimentation and adaptation among early human species. The team argued that Homo longi possessed a suite of characteristics distinct enough to warrant its classification as a separate species, one that exhibited a unique blend of primitive and derived traits, one that likely shared a common ancestor with Homo sapiens but diverged on a separate evolutionary trajectory. This divergence suggests that the evolutionary path of Homo longi was distinct and parallel to that of modern humans. This claim, if substantiated, would have profound implications for our understanding of human evolution. It would challenge the current models and timelines, potentially leading to a re-evaluation of how we view our own origins. It would suggest that the human family tree is far more complex than previously thought, with numerous branches and offshoots that have yet to be fully explored and understood, with multiple lineages of hominins coexisting and potentially interbreeding in different parts of the world during the Middle Pleistocene. This interbreeding could have led to the exchange of genetic material, further complicating the evolutionary picture. However, the classification of the Harbin cranium as a new species has not been without its critics. Some researchers argue that the evidence is not yet conclusive and that more data is needed to support such a bold claim. Some scientists have argued that the skull's unique features could be the result of individual variation within a known species, such as Homo erectus or Homo heidelbergensis. they caution against jumping to conclusions without a more comprehensive analysis. Others have suggested a more intriguing possibility, that Dragonman might be a Denisovan, a mysterious group of archaic humans known primarily from their DNA. The Denisovans are an enigmatic branch of the human family tree, with few physical remains but significant genetic evidence. That Dragonman might be a Denisovan, a mysterious group of archaic humans known primarily from their DNA. If this were the case, it would provide a rare and valuable physical link to a group that has largely remained in the shadows of our evolutionary history. The Denisovans, first identified from a finger bone and a few teeth discovered in a Siberian cave, have emerged as one of the most enigmatic players in the human story. Their genetic legacy can be found in modern human populations across Asia and Oceania, suggesting that they were once widespread and that they interbred with our ancestors. However, their physical appearance and the full extent of their geographic range remain shrouded in mystery. The possibility that the Harbin cranium might represent a Denisovan has captivated the imaginations of scientists worldwide. The skull's large size, robust features, and geographic location align with what little we know about this elusive group. Denisovans are thought to have inhabited Asia during the Middle Pleistocene, and some scientists believe that they may have possessed a more robust skeletal structure than other hominin species. However, confirming a Denisovan connection has proven challenging. Attempts to extract DNA from the Harbin cranium have so far been unsuccessful due to the skull's age and the conditions in which it was preserved. Without genetic evidence, the link between Dragonman and the Denisovans remains speculative. Despite the ongoing debate, the possibility that the Harbin cranium might represent a Denisovan underscores the incredible diversity that characterized the human lineage during the Middle Pleistocene. It also highlights the importance of Asia as a crucible of human evolution, a vast continent with the potential to yield many more surprises.